Hi everyone, welcome to Learn English Consistently. Today, let's practice ordering food at a restaurant. Listen, repeat, and speak. Good evening. Welcome. How many people? 2, please. Sure. Please have a seat. Thank you. Here are the menus. I will get some water for you. Thank you. Would you like some time to look at the menu? Yes, please. Just a few minutes. Sure. Take your time. Thank you. Are you ready to order? Yes, we are. What would you like to have? What would you recommend? I would recommend the paneer butter masala. It's one of our most popular dishes. Okay, that sounds good. We'll have one paneer butter masala. Sure. Would you like naan or roti with it? 4 butter naans, please. Anything else? Yes, one veg biryani, please. Sure. Would you like a starter? Yes. What do you have? We have veg Manchurian, crispy corn and paneer tikka. Let us have one paneer tikka. Sure. How spicy would you like the food? Medium spicy, please, not too spicy. No problem. Would you like something to drink? Yes. 2 fresh lime sodas, please. Sweet or salted? 1 sweet and 1 salted. Perfect. Anything else? No, that's all. Thank you. You are welcome. I will place your order now. Great, thank you. Your food will be ready soon. Enjoy your meal. Thank you. Great job. I hope you enjoyed this conversation. Keep practicing, keep speaking, and don't be afraid to make mistakes. See you in the next video.